Namaskar. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to show you all Gond painting, for which I have taken acrylic paints. You can also take poster paints or rangila paints, or you can use all of them depending on which type of painting or the folk art we are going to do. Then paint brushes, water, old cloth, handmade paper or canvas, palette, stationery like pencil, scale, eraser, sharpener, permanent marker, thick and thin both, color pencils, crayons and sketch pens. The Gond tribe has its origin in Madhya Pradesh and derived its name from the word Gond, meaning green mountain. Although Gond art of this tribe is considered to be primarily from Madhya Pradesh, it is also popular in regions like Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh, and Orissa. Amongst the Gond people, painting and other forms of expressive art are a popular and traditional practice. Dating back to more than 1400 years ago, the Gond tribe has painted and carved art on the walls of caves, which all belong to the Mesolithic period. The Gonds believed that viewing good images brought in good luck. Thus, traditionally, they painted motifs, tattoos, and images on the floors and walls of their houses. Their paintings are also a means to record and pass on historical knowledge and teachings. The Gond people believe that every element of nature, be it the hills, the sky, or the trees, is inhabited by a spirit. Recreating the forms of nature, therefore, is done with reverence and worship of their sacred essence. These paintings serve as examples of Gond tribe's close connection to the spirit of nature. Gond paintings take inspiration from the myths and legends of India. They also depict scenes from the contemporary life of the people. A detailed narrative portrays abstract concepts encompassing emotions, dreams, and imaginative constructs. The most significant subjects explored and depicted in Gond paintings include birds, animals, and mythical beasts. Since the paintings also derive themes from the daily lives of the people, the Mahua tree is an important subject. Considered as the tree of life, the flowers, fruits, seeds, and leaves from the Mahua tree serve many purposes for the tribe. The style that is incorporated takes care that the lines, whether of the border or the interior intricacies that create the subjects, grab the attention of the viewer instantly. The dots and dashes enhance the details with exquisite brilliance that is unique to the Gond paintings. Incorporating various geometric shapes and patterns, like the ones resembling fish scales, drops of water, and seed shapes, flesh out the expressive value of the art. The sense of movement is established through the curves and strokes of the lines, and hence many critics best described it as online work. The Gond paintings flourished with vivid colors, especially red, blue, yellow, and white, that serve the view with their excellent contrast. These bright paints are usually derived and extracted from organic sources such as colored soil, charcoal, plant leaves and sap, and even cow dung. The local sand called chui mitti helps in the production of the yellow color, while gheru mitti serves the brown color. Charcoal provides the black color, hibiscus flower gives red, and plant leaves impart green. The Gond paintings are usually drawn during important festivals like those of Holi and Diwali. In the modern age, one can commonly find Gond art on wooden trays, boxes, and other subjects of smooth surfaces. However, they are no longer painted on walls and floors. For the sake of convenience, the artists now prefer canvas. This ease of mobility has increased purchase and exchange, thus aiding the popularity. Today, Gond artists use poster colors and other artificial paints to put their talent into the best portrayal. Combined with this, the use of simple canvas has enhanced modern Gond paintings into more vibrancy than its traditional counterparts. The voiceover and information provided in the video are strictly sourced from Google search results. This channel does not claim ownership or original authorship of the facts presented. All views and facts belong to their respective original sources.
ये चांद सितारों की बारात लाई है घड़ी सुहानी, क्या बात है मेरे साथ है मेरे सपनों की रानी। बरसों सताया तूने चैन चुराया, मैं आज न छोड़ूं भैया।
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have liked the video, kindly thumbs up and share it as much as possible. And do try it out for yourselves as well. And post it on social media. And do tag me on my Instagram or Facebook page. I will surely share the post or the story with everyone. Also, do follow me on my Instagram page, like my Facebook page, and do not forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more notifications. Thank you again and have a good day.